Good morning, class 6. We are continuing with lesson 2, early humans, and the topic is Stone Age. So, Stone Age were divided into 4 stages. The first one is Paleolithic, the second one is Mesolithic, the third one is Neolithic, and the fourth one is Chalcolithic. Today, we will learn about Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age. Okay, Old Stone Age. Yes. The first stage, please take out your books, page number 24. The first stage of human civilization is known as Paleolithic Age. The first stage of human civilization. The first stage of human civilization means the time from when human began civilizing themselves. Yes? How do we become civilized? When we are well mannered, we are soft spoken, isn't it? We are not rude, we are not aggressive, we know how to behave ourselves. That is how we civilize ourselves. So the first stage of human civilization is known as the Paleolithic Age, which extended from 5 lakh BCE, before Common Era, to 10,000 BCE. Life of Paleolithic men was hard. The life of Paleolithic men was difficult. He was a food gatherer and dependent entirely on nature for food. This is why their life was hard. If we talk about the modern age, today our lives are not hard. We have a shelter to stay under, we live under roof. No, we stay in our houses that protects us from animals, adverse weather, isn't it? But then, back then, men did not have houses. They lived in open nature and their lives were unprotected, vulnerable lives. He ate fruits, roots, nuts, flesh of animals, the meat of animals, and even insects. They ate insects also. He did not have a permanent place to stay. You have a permanent place to stay? Yes? How? You live in your house. That is your permanent place, that's your residence. But then men did not live in any permanent place. They did not have houses. He wandered like a nomad from place to place. Now what is a nomad? Nomad is a person who travels from one place to another. He used animal skins or the bark of trees and leaves to cover his body. Today we wear clothes, you wear clothes, no, t-shirts, pants, shirts, and different kinds of clothes we wear today. But back then, men did not wear clothes. What did they wear? They wore the bark of trees, the skin of animals. He lived in caves and on trees to protect himself from wild animals. They lived in caves to protect themselves from rain, winter, wild animals, and also on trees they lived. Now look here, some characteristic features of Paleolithic Age. The original development of stone tools. The original stone tools were developed in Paleolithic Age and it gradually disappeared with the advent of metal tools. Yes, today all the tools are made up of metals. The hammers, pliers, whatever you see are made up of metals. But Paleolithic Age is the first stage where all the tools are made of stones. That is why original development of stone tools began in Paleolithic Age. The Paleolithic Age preceded the Mesolithic Age. As I told you in the very beginning, after Paleolithic Age is the Mesolithic Age or the Middle Age. We will discuss part by part. Yes? People grouped together in small societies such as bands and subsisted by gathering plants. Now you know that the men of Paleolithic Age were nomads and so they lived by Subsisted means what? They sustained themselves. They lived by gathering plants, fishing. They stayed by the river banks where they caught fish. Yes. And hunting or scavenging wild animals. Scavenging means what? Eating the dead animals, the animals which were already dead. They used to eat those animals. Okay, the flesh of the rotten or dead animals. And also they used to hunt wild animals and they ate them. Alright. You can write these characteristic features. I have written 3 here. You can write all 3 of them. Alright. So that you can easily remember, you can differentiate between each stage. Okay. These will help you to understand how over time the stages passed. Yes. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.